What's going on, friends and fans? Ryan Dohrn here with another sales training tip of the week. What do we do on LinkedIn to warm up customers? After all, let's be honest here. Does cold calling work? I'm going to say maybe 10% of the time or less, cold calling is going to be effective. But how do you improve it? Warming up customers using LinkedIn. Are you following your customers? Well, first, are you connected with your customers? Are you following your customers personally on LinkedIn? Are you following their companies on LinkedIn? Now let's talk about your prospects. Are you connected to your prospects? Are you following your prospects? Are you following your company's prospects? Are you following prospective clients? Are you following them on LinkedIn as well? Here's what I like to do. I like to share things that are posted on LinkedIn. I like to comment. I like to like. Hey, thanks so much for sharing. Give it a thumbs up. Remember, every time you engage with a post on LinkedIn, well, not every time, but a lot of the times when you're engaging with posts on LinkedIn, it's going to notify the person that posted that you commented or you liked or reacted to that post, and it's going to ask them to join in on the conversation. So for a new prospect that may never know you, they're going to start seeing that you're engaging with them, and a better level of engagement helps you warm up those customers. I love LinkedIn. It's by far one of the best sales tools ever available out there. What? You don't use it? Some of you need to update your profiles on LinkedIn. Let me just say, the 80s are calling and they want that glamour shot back. Get your profile not to look like a resume. Share a little bit about yourself. It is a glimpse into your soul. They're going to look you up on LinkedIn, so make sure your picture's good. Your about us doesn't look like a resume. Unless you're looking for a job. And remember, cold calling can be effective. Just take a little time and warm these customers up. Hey, like their company page on LinkedIn, like it on Facebook, on Instagram, share these things, create little miniature referrals. Friends, warming up customers always works out for me. If I can be of help to you, to your sales team, love to speak at your national sales meeting. Come in and motivate the team to success. Reach out to me, ryandohrn.com. Never forget, if sales was easy, everybody be doing it. And they're not. We're not crazy. Well, maybe we're a little crazy. It's a great career, friends. Sales is. It'll feed your family for a lifetime. We'll see you next week.